What is inside the course? This course is being presented by Lingo Server, which is one of the best e-learning platform. In this course, we will learn a complete Urdu speaking course from zero to professional level. This is a paid course. To enjoy the whole course, you will have to enroll yourself in the course you want to learn. If you cannot pay the charge for the course, then we have also provided some lessons on YouTube for free. There you can watch the videos of the course, but if you enroll yourself in the course, it would be better for you, as here you will find the following: daily vocabulary verbs, daily vocabulary name of things, daily used sentences, daily manners, and daily lessons, reading and watching complete course. Daily vocabulary verbs. In this part, you will find 900 plus verbs written in Urdu and Roman plus correct pronunciation with sound. Daily vocabulary name of things. In this part, you will find 1900 plus name of things for daily use written in Urdu and Roman plus correct pronunciation with sound. Daily used sentences. Here you will find 450 plus daily used sentences written in Urdu and Roman along with correct pronunciation with sound. Daily manners. Here you will find some important manners which you must know if you want to speak Urdu correctly. All is written in Urdu and Roman plus explanation how to use them and when to use them. Daily lessons, reading and watching. In this part, you will be easily able to read the lesson and also you will find exercises here. This part is consisting of two parts, grammar and discussion. Our daily grammar lesson will consist of 7 parts. Revision, solving the exercises, sentence structures, daily grammar, daily used sentences, daily vocabulary, and exercise. What is revision? Revision means that before starting the new lesson, we will revise the last lesson so that we can have a connection with the new lesson and we can understand the next lesson better. What is solving the exercises? It means that we will solve the exercise of the previous lesson before we start the new lesson. For example, we will solve the exercise of the second lesson before we start the third lesson and so on. What is sentence structure? Sentence structure means that here we will learn where to put the words in our talks while speaking and how to make a sentence in Urdu. Why will you focus on this? We will focus on this because of 2 reasons. First, to avoid any mistakes in the series of words, and of course, every language has its own sentence structure. For example, in English we say, give me your ID card. We don't say, me your ID card give. We say, where is your father? We don't say, your is father where? In these 2 examples, we have seen that every word must be put in a proper place without any wrong place. Likewise in Urdu, we also have a place for Urdu and we will put that word in its proper place to avoid any mistakes. So in this part, we will learn where we will rightly put the words to speak Urdu without any mistakes. Second, we will focus on this part so that we can learn Urdu easily and quickly. What does it mean basically? It means that if we teach someone how to make any sentence, he will be able to make a lot of sentences. For example, if we say that while making any imperative sentence, we will follow this structure. Put the first form of verb and then object. In this way, the structure of imperative sentence will be verb 1 plus subject. And then it becomes go there. On the contrary, if we teach anyone only go there and we do not say to him the structure of sentences, at that time he will be able to say only one sentence, and that is go there. But after knowing this structure, now he can make a lot of sentences as come here, show me your ID card, go to the college, drink water, take the medicine. In this way, a person who wants to learn English needs only to know the words and meaning and just practice. Now, he can make a lot of sentences in imperative. Likewise, in Urdu, we will learn this. In this way, we will only need to know the words and meanings. Daily grammar. Daily grammar means that we will learn some important rules of Urdu so that we can avoid any mistakes while speaking Urdu. For example, where you will use ka, where you will use ke, and where you will use ki, and so many other important rules to avoid any kinds of mistakes. Basically, grammar is a big chapter. If we will learn only grammar, it may take a lot of months. But in this course, we will learn only the important chapter of grammar which we will always need in our Urdu speaking. For example, if we teach someone English speaking, we will tell him only some important rules of English grammar, not all the chapters of English grammar. The same will be in this course with you. Daily use sentences. In this part, we will learn some important sentences that we use in our daily life, and here we will learn these sentences with an explanation. For example, how to say thank you, how to say welcome, and how to say I'm sorry, etc. And these sentences are very important, we cannot leave them. Daily vocabulary. In this part, we will learn some important words that we use in our daily life. For example, name of days, name of animals, name of eatable things, and numbers, etc. Exercise. Here you will find the exercise for the rules and grammar to do the practice. You will solve the exercise by yourself, and then you will find the answers to this exercise in the next lesson of the course. There you will match if you did exercise correctly or if there is any kind of mistakes. It is compulsory to read the lesson and do the exercise before you start the lesson. Our daily talking lesson will consist of 3 parts: discussion, sentence explanation, listening practice. What is talking? Talking means that there will be a role play in the video where 2 or 3 people will talk with each other. In this part, we will see the different scenarios, like how to talk with a doctor, how to talk with a driver, how to talk with a student, etc. In this part, you will see the transliteration of the talk along with Urdu as well, so that you can see and understand it easily. What is sentence explanation? It means that every single sentence will be explained there in detail with grammar. For example, if in this scenario there was a sentence, Mahmoud, Hamid tum kahan ja rahe ho? Mahmoud, Hamid, where are you going? Rahul, Sheila, ab kya kar rahi hain? Rahul, Sheila, what are you doing? In this case, after the role play, you will listen to why Mahmoud used ja rahe ho with Hamid, not ja rahi ho. Also why Rahul used aap kya kar rahi hain with Sheila and not kya kar rahe ho, etc. In this part, we will also know the meaning of the words which have been used in the role play. What is listening practice? In this part, you will listen to the audio of the whole role play. There will be no subtitle or something else, only the audio to check your understanding progress. How to better use daily lessons. This course has been designed for all levels of the people, beginner, intermediate, and proficient. So you have to watch the videos or read the lessons according to your needs. You are not supposed to watch the whole video or read the whole lesson at a time. You can divide it according to its parts. Especially when you are a beginner, but if you know a little bit of Urdu, you may watch the whole video or read the whole lesson at a time. It is totally up to you. Book lesson with tutor. If you want to do the regular classes or you want to understand any specific lesson or you want to do any kind of practice with native Urdu tutor, we are here to help you. Just click on Book lesson with tutor. Book your lesson according to your time and start learning with native tutors. It is paid service. If you cannot pay the charge of tutor and you want to save your amount, then the best option for you is to watch the whole video and note down all your doubts. Book your lesson and then solve your all concern with the tutor. You can meet the tutors through Skype, Google Meet, Zoom, or other applications, according to your easiness and facilities. Will we be provided with a certificate once we finish the course? Yes. Once you finish the course, you will be given a certificate, but for this, you have to face a live test with a tutor. There are two kinds of certificates: certificate of speaking, certificate of reading, writing, and speaking. In the certificate of speaking, the test will be about speaking only. In this test, the tutor will just talk with you in Urdu and you will be given a grade according to the fluency of your speaking. In the certificate of reading, writing, and speaking, the tutor will check your reading, writing, and speaking skills and you will get the marks accordingly. Please do not hesitate to reach us in case you have any queries. We will always be happy to help you. Thank you. Lingo Server team, www.lingoserver.com